Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this look right here using the amazing eyeshadow palette Chocolate Gold from Too Faced. It's amazing. The colors are so blendable, so pigmented. The combinations you can do are endless. It's a really beautiful palette, and I must say this video is not sponsored. I just love this palette and I wanted to show you guys the look that I like the most. So yeah, if you know how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
So first I want to prime my eyelid, and I will be using an eyeshadow primer by Pretty Vulgar, and I'll apply it all over my eyelid. Now taking the eyeshadow palette by Too Faced, the Chocolate Gold, I'm going to be applying all over my eyelid till my brow bone the shade So Bougie with a fluffy brush. Now again with a fluffy brush I'll be taking from the same palette the shade New Money, and I'll apply it on my eyelid till my brow bone. The next shade I will be using is the Leave-In Lavish, and again with a fluffy brush I will be applying it on my eyelid, into my crease, and a bit on my brow bone. And taking a smaller brush I'll be applying the same shade on my lower lash line and on my crease to give a bit of definition. Now again with a fluffier brush and the shade New Money, I will be blending everything together into my crease and my brow bone, so there won't be any harsh lines. With a really small brush I will be taking the shade Chocolate Gold, and I'll apply it on my inner corner. And the last shade I want to use will be the Rich Girl, and with a flat brush I'll be applying it all over my eyelid and under my brow. For lashes I'm using these ones from BH Cosmetics.
Yeah, and this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!